Alrighty there, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Assassin's Creed. But anyway, since we last left off, basically all I did was travel to Damascus, and I went and found all the. I went to all the viewpoints, so that way we got a perfect view of the city. Got hit in that. I do apologize. But yeah, so basically all we did was we went to the viewpoints. I saved a few citizens, and that's about it. But we are now at the Assassin's Creed lair, I guess you'd call it, or whatever. But let's hop in.
Where is the one that's
or not. Alrighty, there we go. And where to now? Oh, in here.
Altair, it is good to see you, and in one piece.
You as well, friend.
I am sorry for your troubles.
Think nothing of it.
A few of your brothers were here earlier, in fact. Oof, if you'd heard the things they said, I'm certain you'd have slain them where they stood.
It's quite all right.
Yes, you've never been one for the creed, have you?
Is that all?
I'm sorry. Sometimes I forget myself. What business brings you to the Mass?
A man named Tamir. Al-Muallim takes issue with the work he does. I meant to end it. Now tell me where to find him.
Surely you remember how to track an enemy.
Of course. Learn where he will be and when. But that sort of work is best left for... I understand.
Go and search the city, determine what he's planning and where he works. Preparation makes the victor.
What can you tell me of him?
Tamir makes his living as a black market merchant, so the Souk district should be your destination. I would suggest you seek out the following places. A small souk northeast of here, the madrasa to our east, and in the gardens north of this bureau. Focus on these places and he should become well known to you.
I assume you want me to return to you when this is done.
Yes. Come back to me. I'll give you Al-Muallim's marker and you'll give us Tamir's life.
As you wish.
Remember, Altair,
Okay.
If you find yourself in trouble and the city turned against you, return to the bureau. I can shelter you from the storm. Be warned though, if your enemies are too close, my door will remain closed until you've lost them. Do you understand?
Yes. To bring the enemy inside would compromise the Brotherhood.
Very well. Off you go.
Alrighty, so got my first mission. Now how do I get out? Oh, never mind. That's how you get out of here. That's easy enough. So let's see where my first eavesdropping, pickpocket. So I guess we gotta do some of these things first. Let's go beat someone up. Sounds easy enough. It's been so long since I played this game, I forgot the different things you gotta do to get to the missions and the things and stuff like that. I thought we were gonna be ready for the mission. Guess not.
each having something the other wanted?
Alrighty, so
As Tamir drove his caravan north, he came across the Saracen leader and his starving men. Most fortunate for them both.
let's see
Having
where.
something the other wanted.
Oh, it's over here
Was
somewhere.
just before Khatib. The Saracens were low on food and in desperate need of resupply.
You're too far.
But there was no relief in sight.
Okay.
Some say, were it not for Tamir, Salah ad-Din's men would have surely turned on him. Could be we won the battle because of that man.
Doubt it. Let's get away. Let's get away. We need to follow him, not him follow me. Let's go to a secluded place. That way I can show you the way of the fist. And yep, my fists are selected. This looks secluded enough.
Oh, how dare you!
What? Yeah, come on. Oh, come on. Go. It's, oh, crap.
You seem to know quite a bit about Tamir.
There we go.
Tell me what he's planning.
I know only the stories I tell, nothing more.
A pity. There's no reason to let you live if you've nothing to offer in return.
Wait, wait! There is one thing.
Continue.
He is preoccupied as of late. He oversees the production of many, many weapons.
What of it? They're meant for Salah ad-Din. This does not help me, which means it does not help you.
No, stop, listen! Not Salah ad-Din. They're for someone else. The crests these arms bear, they are different, unfamiliar. It seems TAMIR supports another, but I know not who.
Is that all?
Yes, yes. I've told you everything I know.
Then it's time for you to rest.
Uh-oh. I wasn't expecting that to happen. Oh, he did. Oh, he did. So I guess let's go back to the Assassin's Creed temple thingamajig. Yeah, my preferred method of travel is definitely going to be building tops. Well, there was a flag down there. I'm not too worried about it, though. So let's go back down here and hopefully...
Altair, welcome, welcome.
Oh, yeah.
I've done what you asked. Now give me the marker.
First things first, tell me what you know.
Tamir rules over the Souk El Salah. He makes his fortune selling arms and armor and is supported by many in this endeavor. Blacksmiths, traders, financiers. He's the largest death dealer in the land.
And have you devised a way to rid us of this blight?
A meeting is being arranged at Souk El Salah to discuss an important sale. They say it's the largest deal Tamir has ever made. He'll be distracted with his work. That's when I'll strike.
Your plan seems solid enough. I give you leave to go.
Really? Easy enough.
Let Al-Mualim's will be done. You may rest here until you are ready.
I'm ready. Can we go now?
Fast forwarding memory to a more recent.
Fast forwarding memory. Alrighty, Oh, I guess I do need to do those other things. Not anymore. Oops. To complete the entire memory, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to go and do all that other stuff. Darn. I knew I should have done it. I knew I should have done it.
I've got what you need. I'm sure of it. If you're tired of shoddy goods, then come see me.
Well, what we can do is we can go back and replay the memory and do all the stuff.
Anything you like? You won't find fancy prices.
I'll just do it off camera or something.
Everything here, my friend. There's nothing I do not have.
Alrighty. That didn't work out well. There we go. Can we make it? Can we make it?
I have no interest in your calculations. The numbers change nothing. Your men have failed to fill the order, which means I have failed my
There he
client.
is.
We need more time. This is the excuse of a lazy or incompetent man. Which are you? Neither. What I see says otherwise. Now, tell me, what do you intend to do to solve this problem of ours?
That must be
These weapons
Tamir.
are needed now.
I see no solution. The men work day and night, but your client requires so much, and the destination, it is a difficult route.
Were it that you could produce weapons with the same skill as you produce excuses.
I have done all I can.
It is not enough.
Then perhaps you ask too much.
Too much? I gave you everything. Without me, you would still be charming serpents for coin. All I asked in return was you fill the orders I bring you, and you say I asked too much? You dare disrespect me?
Peace, Tamir. I meant no insult.
Then you should have kept your mouth shut!
No! Stop!
Oh, snap.
Stop? I'm just getting started.
No! Stop! No!
You came into my souk, stood before my men, and dared to insult me?
Yeah, this dude needs to die. He's gonna die by my hand.
No. Leave the body. Let this be a lesson to the rest of you. Think twice before you tell me something cannot be done. Now get back to work.
Okay.
While the stairs
Do what? I was blocking. What? Can't wait to be able to do the counterattack. Oh shit. I mean, stuff. Oh man, I'm about to die. Yeah, that that definitely just happened. I tell you what.
When you have been exposed to the guards, break their lines.
We're gonna get it this time. We're gonna get it.
I have many things, too many things.
Bam! That's how you do it.
You'll pay for this. You and all your kind.
It seems you're the one pays now, my friend. You'll not profit from suffering any longer.
You think me some petty death dealer, suckling at the breast of war? A strange target, don't you think? Why me, when so many others do the same?
You believe yourself different, then?
Oh, but I am. For I serve a far nobler cause than mere profit. Just like my brothers.
Brothers?
Ah, but he thinks I act alone. I am but a piece. A man with a part to play. You'll come to know the others soon enough. They won't take kindly to what you've done.
Really?
Good. I look forward to ending their lives as well.
Such pride. It will destroy you, child.
Wait, what will destroy who?
I'll have your head.
Return to the Bureau. Oh, that's what it's called. It's called the Assassin's Bureau. While anonymous to complete your mission. So let's run. Not that way. Not that way. No! Let's go. Go.
Something caught in your eyes? Too many things. Stop him! Get out of my way!
Alrighty, let's run. It's a Templar. It's a Templar. I know if we killed like 100 of them or something, we get an achievement for that. I never got that before. No. What in the world is that dude saying? He said, blah, 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 blah. Let's not go that way. No, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that.
Everything perfect.
In here, up here, up here. Let's, yeah, buddy. There we go. Up there and over. Yeah. Alrighty. And come on, come on. Who sees me? No, I did not mean to do that. There we go. Come on, up there, up there, up there. You can do it. You can do it. But if we run... No! No! That wasn't supposed to happen! Come on, up, 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 up. There we go, and then go into the thingamajig over here. And bam, let's hide, let's hide. You can't save me. You can't save me. I think it's safe. So to the Assassin's Bureau. And not fall off the top of the building either. That might not be a good idea. Alrighty. Ooh. Maybe not that way. Let's go this way. This way seems a bit safer. Alrighty. There it is. Drop down. There we go.
Word has reached me of your victory, Altair. You have my gratitude and my respect.
No
Thank
way.
you. It is a shame that the other assassins continue to hold you in such poor regard.
Rafik, I do not care what the others think of me.
As you wish, Altair. You should bring news of your victory to Al-Mualim. I'm certain he has more work for you to do.
Fast forwarding memory to a more
Fast
recent
forwarding
one.
memory. Alrighty. Well, I guess that's going to be it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and, you know, subscribe, and we'll continue to bring you more comment. If you didn't like something about it, make sure to comment below and let us know what you didn't like.
Out of the machine, Mr. Miles.
Well,
What's the matter, Doc?
hang on. Never
Miss
mind.
Stillman is once again
This is the end,
insisting
yeah.
I let you rest.
Okay. So I guess let's rest really quick and see what happens. The storyline continues the following morning.
Let's go, Mr. Miles. Time's wasting.
Okay then. Well, I tell you what, we are going to call it here, and again, if you liked, hit that like button. If you didn't, let us know down in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button. We'll definitely continue to bring you more, and I'm super excited to bring you more. But yeah, just let me know what you didn't like. If you did like it, just hit that like button, or just let us know in the comments below about how awesome it is. And yeah, but we'll see. Until next time, we'll see you in another episode of Assassin's Creed. Alrighty.